The Sunniest City, an adventure in Antalya. Wow, Aunt Ayla, it's so blue, shouted Denise, stepping off the bus. They had arrived in Antalya, the shining pearl of the Turkish Mediterranean coast. Look at the sea, Denise, Aunt Ayla smiled. It's famous for its turquoise color and sunshine. This city is built for happy adventurers. Their first stop was Kalichi, the old town. The narrow streets were like a colorful maze. Kalichi means inside the castle, Ayla explained. See how the houses are built right up against each other? Many have little balconies covered in flowers. Suddenly, they stopped at a huge marble archway. This is Hadrian's Gate, said Ayla. It was built almost 2,000 years ago for a very important Roman emperor named Hadrian when he visited. It's like a giant door to the past. After exploring history, it was time for nature. They drove to the cliffs to see the Duden waterfalls. Whoosh! The huge waterfall crashed straight down from the land right into the blue sea below. Antalya is special because land and sea meet dramatically here, Ayla whispered over the roar. The next morning, they took a sightseeing boat tour. From the water, they could see all of Antalya stretching up the hills behind the historic harbor. The sun felt warm on Denise's face. The sea breeze is so refreshing, Denise said. Ayla pointed to fields on the shore. Antalya loves sunshine, and so do oranges. Did you know Antalya is often called the land of oranges? People even grow citrus trees right in the city parks. Denise imagined the whole city smelling like orange blossoms. As the boat turned back, Denise saw the mighty mountains towering over the city. Look how big the Taurus Mountains are, Denise exclaimed. It's amazing that we can swim in the warm sea but see snowy peaks nearby. Later that day, they visited Konyaaltı Beach, a long stretch of sparkling pebbles and sand. Denise raced Ayla to the water, splashing happily in the warm waves. This was the perfect place to rest after so much history and climbing. Before heading home, Ayla took Denise to a market to pick out a souvenir. Antalya is also famous for beautiful things made by hand, Ayla said, showing Denise a tiny, intricately patterned carpet. It reminds us of all our amazing, colorful travels. Denise hugged the souvenir tightly. They had seen ancient history, rushing waterfalls, towering mountains, and the endless blue sea. Antalya is wonderful, Denise sighed. It truly is the sunniest city.